Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our science class. Children, from today's class, you are going to learn good touch and bad touch. Let us move on to the lesson. Good touch and bad touch are the words most commonly used to explain what touch is okay and what is not okay for us. Okay, children, what is good touch? Yes, a touch that cares for us and makes us feel safe. Okay, what is bad touch? Yes, if any touch that we don't want or it makes us feel scared, that is bad touch. Okay, children, now let us learn how to keep ourselves safe. Okay, now we'll see the activities related to good touch and bad touch. The good touches are parents hugs and kisses, father pats you on the head, then friendly hugs by our family members and shaking hands. The bad touches are touching the buttocks and other private parts. Okay, what are the parts or private parts? Yes, you can see the pictures here. That is lips, chest, between your legs and buttocks. And the other activities are hitting, slapping and spitting and pushing and punching and kissing. Then the activities that make you feel scared or nervous or ashamed. And then dirty talk and showing dirty pictures. So children, your body belongs to you, so never allow anyone to misuse it. Children, in case if you receive a bad touch, that time you have to do three things. That is, say don't touch in a loud voice and leave the spot quickly and tell elders like parents and teachers till you get help from them. Now we'll see how the stranger will treat the child. The unknown person only called stranger. First, he will tell a lie to a child like your mother is admitted in the hospital, so I have come to take you there. Then asking address to a child, please guide me to reach this address. Then tempting a child with a gift or money or chocolate or food items or sweet. And offering to play doctor game and hide and seek game, trying to touch you under that pretext. And he will show great concern for a child. So any stranger comes you and act like this means you say no to them. So avoid a particular person and ask help for others. The safety tips to you children, tell everything to your parents, especially your mother, and don't share your address or phone number with strangers. Children, at home no one is there means don't open the door and never eat anything that you get from your stranger. Then have a emergency telephone number like police or your parents number. You memorize your parents number. Children, I hope you have understood about good touch and bad touch. You be careful and take care of your body. Okay children, now try to answer. Look at the pictures and write good touch or bad touch. Okay, look at the picture carefully. Okay, what is this? Shaking and friendly. So it is a good touch or bad touch? Yes, it is a good touch. Okay, this. The next picture is what? Good touch or bad touch? Yes, it is a bad touch. Then mother and son. It is a good touch or bad touch? Yes, it's a good touch. Then a stranger gives a toys to a child. It is a good touch or bad touch? Yes, it is a bad touch. Then the stranger makes her to cry. It is a good touch or bad touch? Yes, bad touch. Then mother hug a daughter. So it is a good touch. Then a stranger gives a gift. It is a bad touch. And this man holding this girl hand unwantedly. So it is a bad touch. Okay children, now let us see the book exercise. First geometry is pick out the hard one. Okay, first question, heart, legs, brain, kidney. Yes, which one is different from the others? Yes, legs. Say legs spelling L-E-G-S, legs. Second question, eyes, ears, fingers, lungs. Which is different here? Yes, lungs. Say lungs spelling L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Third question, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, nerves. Which is hard one here? Yes, nerves. Say nerves spelling N-E-R-V-E-S. Nerves. The second room letter is complete the figure with words given in the bracket. Children, now we have some activities here that related with the good touch and bad touch. Now we are going to separate as a good touch and bad touch. See, we will see first good touch. Okay. What are the activities as a good touch? Yes. Grandparents love. Grandparents love. Then parents hug and kisses. Pat of dad on head. Okay. Now we'll find out the bad touches. Yes. Kissing on the mouth. Hitting the buttocks. Showing awkward pictures. Okay children, I hope you understood the difference between good touches and bad touches. Now let's see the next Roman letter. The third Roman letter is find the answers from the following clues and circle the words. Okay, now we have 5 clues here. So we are going to find out the answer from these clues. First question, an internal organ. What is the internal organ? Yes, heart. Okay, so H-E-A-R-T. Heart is a internal organ. So likewise we have to circle the correct answer. Children, our second clue is organ that help us to breathe. Okay, where is the answer for that? Yes, lungs. Lungs only help us to breathe. Say lungs spelling L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Clue is an organ removing wastes from our body. What is the organ? Yes. Where is the answer, children? Kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y. Kidney. The fourth clue, unfair and unhealthy touch. Unfair and unhealthy touch is bad touch. Say bad touch spelling B-A-D-T-O-U-C-H. Bad touch. The last clue is every day we should drink more dash. What is the answer, children? Yes, water. Say water spelling W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay, our fourth Roman letter is say true or false. Okay, children. Now I am going to read the question for you. Can you find out the answer? Yes, you can. So first question is head, hand and legs are internal organ. It is correct, children? Yes, no. So answer is false. Second question, heart is made up of muscles. Is it right, children? Yes, right. So answer is true. Third question, muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. Is it right? Yes, right. So answer is true. Fourth question, brush your teeth once a day. It is right sentence, children? Yes, wrong. So answer is false. Then fifth question, father batting you on your head is a good touch. Is it right, children? Yes, right. So answer is true. Then we have choose the correct answer. First question, dash is the commanding center of our body. Which is the correct answer? Yes, brain. Second question, food is converted to energy in the dash. Yes, stomach. Third question, every day we should brush our teeth. Dash times. How many times, children? Yes, 2 times. Okay, fourth question, good touch is a fair and dash touch. Yes, healthy touch. Fifth question, drink a lot of dash every day. Yes, water. Okay, children, now we have answered the following questions. Okay, first question is name the internal organs. Okay, the internal body parts are stomach, lungs, heart, kidney and brain. Okay, what are those? Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidney. Second question, what are the functions of brain? The answer is the functions of brain are it controls all activities of our body like moving our hands and legs, sitting or walking. And second point, it helps us to think and perform all over activities because brain is the commanding center. Third question, List out the food items for healthy mouth and teeth. Take plenty of fruits, vegetables and dairy products. Drink water or milk instead of sugar juices. Eat candy, cake and ice cream as less as possible. Fourth question. How will you take care of your heart and kidney? For heart, avoid fatty food. For kidney, drink more water. Fifth question is, what do you do when someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable? When someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable, follow this. Say don't touch in a loud voice. Leave the spot quickly. Tell elders, that is your parents or teachers, till you get help. Okay children, you go through the book exercise and your assignment is write Roman letter 1 to 6 one time and send it to me. Thank you.